Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I wanted to make a quick update here on the chart for oil. So this is the chart for oil 4-hour candles, and I wanted to make this video because I see a very similar situation with gold. I have just made a video for gold right before this one. You can go ahead and watch it if you want. I was explaining how to trade trends that are going sideways. Even though the 4-hour chart for oil looks very bullish, because you can see we've been uptrending for a long time in the 4-hour chart. We had higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. But now, if you see, we're banging against this resistance here, but at the same time, the moving average is supporting us. So basically, if you only look at the price action for the 4-hour chart, you would want to enter a long position here when it started to bounce on the moving average. But if you look at a bigger time frame, this is the 4 hours. If you go to the bigger time frame, to the 1-day chart, and this is explained in more detail in my premium tutorial. I have a premium tutorial. It's called Find Entries and Targets. I explain this. If you are trading the 4-hour chart, for example, you want to look at the bigger time frame compared to the 4-hour chart and look at the big picture of the actual trend, because for the 4-hour chart we were uptrending only from here to here. But if you look at the daily, we are not really uptrending, we are going sideways, right? And the reason why now we are not making higher highs and breaking through, it's because this is a resistance line that's been set here since 2015. Okay, the only time that was broken, it was in 2015 here. Since then, we could not break this line. Well, it was broken here, but you can see all the rejection. This doesn't count as a breakout. Okay, you cannot count this as a breakout. It was already rejecting here, and in the end it went all the way down here. So I have these two main lines here. This is my support and this is my resistance, and these lines have been tested at least 3 times each, and each time it touched the line for years, since 2015 or beginning of 2016, or actually 2015. Every time we touch this line, it sends the price all the way down to this support line, and then when it touches the support line, it sends all the way up to the resistance, and so on and so forth. So this is a sideways trend that's been set for years, and from support to resistance we have a 23.45% that we can make profit by going long on support and going short on resistance. So this is a very, very similar situation with gold. So yeah, as I said, even though it looks like uptrending on the 4-hour chart, in the daily or weekly chart we are actually going sideways, and we are right now banging against this significant resistance. So in a balance of probabilities, this resistance it's going to hold and it's going to send the price all the way down. So I am just waiting, and I will probably enter a trade today or tomorrow if in the 4-hour chart we start to close below this moving average, or even before we break down. If I see lower lows and lower highs on the 4-hour chart, I will enter a short position here, setting my stop loss somewhere at the highest from the previous candle after I open my trade. Say I open my trade right now, I would put it right above the highest of this candle here, so that would be my stop loss. If it goes above that, then I understand this is a higher high, so I could be wrong and this could break on the way up and go up from here. It can always happen, of course, but in a balance of probabilities, this is more likely to bounce down and take the price all the way down to this support here that's been set for years. So I'm waiting, and I will be probably entering a short position for oil as soon as I have a little bit more confirmation. I will be updating on this, and guys, I would appreciate your feedback on the comments if you want me to review normal stocks or only crypto, because I think people is only interested in Bitcoin and crypto. But to be honest, in this type of market conditions, I prefer to trade stocks. It's much more profitable, even though you see smaller percentages. It's less risky, and using leverage, you can actually make the same or more percentages that you can make on crypto right now. And crypto is at very high levels, so it's always a lot more risky. Also, the volatility will trigger your stop losses a lot more than regular stocks in this type of market conditions. So I really prefer to center more in stocks than in crypto, or at least half and half. But I would appreciate if you can leave something on the comments below. I'm going to leave this video here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.